So how exactly do you keep ice from melting? You keep ice from melting by reducing the amount of heat it is exposed to. If you don't have a freezer, then the best way to do this is with a well-insulated cooler. There are lots of tips and tricks to keep ice from melting for longer in your cooler, which all work in their own different ways. 1. Use a cooler. 2. Use a really good cooler. 3. Use a vacuum insulated container. 4. Make your own makeshift cooler. 5. Line your cooler/container with aluminium. 6. Use dry ice with your ice. 7. Use ice packs with your ice. 8. Use larger ice blocks or frozen milk jugs. 9. Use larger quantities of ice. 10. Use boiling water to make your ice. 11. Pre-chill your cooler. 12. Pre-chill your drinks/food before putting in the ice. 13. Don't leave air space in your cooler. 14. Open your cooler as little as possible. 15. Empty the water from your cooler as the ice melts. 16. Keep your cooler out of direct sunlight. 17. Wrap your cooler in a wet towel. 18. Keep your cooler in a cold space. 19. Keep your cooler away from hot surfaces. 20. Bury your cooler 3/4 into the ground. 21. Keep your ice in the freezer.